Hi lovely kids! I am here yet again with another interesting video. First of all, I want to thank you for all the efforts that you are putting in, sending us videos of your practice. Thank you. I'm really glad. Today we have with ourselves Sheru. This is my pet dog. Say hello. Hello. Sheru, say hello. Today in our origami class, we are going to make Sheru face, dog face. Dog says, woof woof. This is a paper. In origami is the simplest form of craft. We just need a paper. No scissors, no glue stick and all, nothing. Just a paper, and I have a sketch pen right here with me. The first step is, this is a square shape. We have to fold it and make a triangle, right? So, just fold it. A triangle, fold it. You have to take care that the points meet, means this point and this point should meet, right? So this is a triangle now. Now we have to make the ears of our Sheru. So to make the ears, we'll be folding it. As you can see, this is here and I am folding it like this. Similarly, the other side, to make the other ear, try to make it of equal size. See, it is coming out to be like a dog. So now we have to make the mouth of the dog. For that, for the mouth of the dog, we have to take this point and we have to fold it a little, fold it back. Do you see that? Do you see that? I have folded it back like this. So this is done. All the folding thing of the dog is done. Now we will do some detailing with the sketch pen, like some eyes, nose, right? I have made the eyes of the dog. Now I will be making mouth. Just like this, we can make the mouth of the dog. For this, first I have made a heart shape and then I will draw outside. How cute it looks. A doggy is ready. Just fold it from here. Just like this dog face, you can also make a cat face. I have already prepared one. See, this is a cat face. A doggy and a cat. Do make your origami dog and cat faces and send it to me. Okay, bye for today. See ya. Say bye, Sheru.